Hi, welcome to our math. Today I'm doing a series of videos on higher order polynomials. In this video, it says use synthetic division and the remainder theorem to evaluate the following. So f of k. Basically, it's saying if I put -3 into here, what do I get? So this is kind of fun. We're going to do this two ways. In synthetic division, this essentially is the same as x plus 3 if it were a factor, but we're not using it as a factor. We're saying, hey, we want to divide x plus 3 into this, and the question is, what is the remainder? And the answer is the remainder is the same as just putting -3 into the function. And that's what we're testing out. We're saying if we divided 4x cubed plus 3x squared minus x minus 6 by x plus 3 in long division or synthetic division, we should get the same final remainder as if we just put -3 into the function. And isn't that fun? So for synthetic division, if you haven't seen it in a while or you don't know what it is, you put what your k is into a box, and then you put all of your coefficients in, and you add down, and then you multiply by k, then add down, then multiply by k, and add down until you get your remainder. This is the basic process of synthetic division. So our k is -3, so we'll put -3 here. In our coefficients, we have an x cubed, an x squared, an x, and a -6. We're not missing any of our x's, so we don't have to include a 0 as a placeholder. So 4x cubed, 3x squared, -1x, and -6. If we follow this practice, 4 plus 0 is 4, -3 times 4 is -12. 3 plus -12 is -9. -3 times -9 is 27. -1 times -1 plus 27 is 26. -3 times 26 is -78. And -6 plus -78 is a -84. So if it has been a while since you've seen synthetic division, what this all means is if I did divide this polynomial by x plus 3, my resulting solution would be, since this is a cubic, I would end up with 4x squared minus 9x plus 26 plus, this is my remainder, -84 over x plus 3, if I was asked to just divide. But what I'm asking about is the remainder. So this is kind of extra credit. What we're really looking at is this remainder and checking if it is the same as putting -3 into this function. Okay, so let's check it out. F of -3 is 4 times -3 cubed plus 3 times -3 squared minus a -3 minus 6. Now, of course, you can just put all this into your calculator. This is going to be 4, I don't know why I put that in parentheses, 4 times -27 plus 3 times a +9, a negative times a negative is positive. Those two negatives are going to cancel each other out, plus 3 minus 6. I like putting my input into parentheses for this exact reason. This one stayed negative, this one became positive. If you don't put them into parentheses, your calculator will not always calculate those correctly. At this point, it's much simpler to put it into your calculator to get your -84. F of -3 is 84. -84, -84, and it worked out. All right, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks!